Boys and girls, during your Word Work Center today, you are going to play a game called Memory Match. And this is how you'll play it. You're going to first select a card. You're going to click on it and drag it over. And this is the contraction its. And we are looking for its match, which would be it is. So we're looking for it is. I'm going to click on this, drag it over. Can't. These two do not match. So I'm going to put my squares back on top. Now I'm going to select two new tiles. All right. I'm going to select this tile. Oh, this tile is it is. I remember the contraction for it is its, and that is right here. So I have a match. I pull these over here to the side like this, and then I'm going to write or type, write with my finger, or type it is and its for match number 1. And I'll do the same thing for the other 7 matches.